everybody. We are currently on Redwood Retreat, which is a nice little road to Mount Madonna Road. Nice little shortcut between Morgan Hill and Watsonville. I came back out here to try and take a quick run up a dirt road over by the Uvas Reservoir. That was recommended, but it appears to be gated these days. But no problem. We're gonna run up Mount Madonna Road instead. This road here, Redwood Retreat, is kind of a nice little pleasant ride in itself. But yeah, pretty quick here we'll run into Mount Madonna. And here we are at Mount Madonna Road. I like this road much better than Hecker Pass these days. I love Hecker Pass as a road, but man, I have not been able to hit that road without running into a row of cars in a very long time. I lived in Watsonville for a year or so, and every day after work I would hop on my CBR and run over that road as quick as I could. Back then, there was often times when there was nobody on it. And that wasn't so long ago, but maybe I just go there at the wrong times these days, I don't know, but I have not been to it when it was not just littered with cars in an awful long time. So I don't know if this is a quicker way. Probably not if you're coming all the way from Gilroy, but it's a little more fun, a little fewer people. It will turn to gravel here pretty quick. May have chose the wrong day to go up this too. Time change, the sun's going down. Sun is right in my eyes and I can't see anything at certain points. Great little supermoto section here, but pretty quick here. Right here I think actually turns into gravel, so don't get caught up. But yeah, today we're headed up Mount Madonna Road. Take this right up to the summit Road, and or keep heading down Mount Madonna and go to Watsonville if that's your fancy. That's what I'll be doing. Gonna head on over to the Corralitos Brewery just in time. Running out of gas. Gas light just came on. Got a little bit done on the homestead today. Not today, recently, this week. Finally got around to cleaning my chimney in the old firebox. Good timing on that too, because it's getting cold around here at night. During the day it's pretty warm. It was pretty warm today, 85 degrees, but at night it's pretty chilly in the mountains, so I've been starting the fire. What else did I do? I've had an old Pooch road bike for years that had a seat post. It's a steel frame and it had a aluminum seat post sitting out in the weather for too long, and eventually corroded itself to the frame, and I tried and tried years ago to get that thing out. Broke an old vise, probably damaged a few tools, and gave up on it for a while. Finally went out there with the Sawzall and sawed it into a few pieces and pulled it on out. So now I've got a road bike. Also got an old fixed gear, but that thing doesn't have brakes, and the gearing's pretty high. Need to make some changes to that too if I wanted to ride it, but it's also a little bit small for me, so might just get rid of that one, stick with the geared bike. In all honesty, I'll probably stick to the motorbike because I'm lazy like that. But yeah, as you can see, not too many little dirt jaunts out here, but they are here. You can find them. And here's a little wild turkey for you. I used to jam up these things pretty good before I had my little accident not too long ago, and now I'm just a little shaky about it, but I'm trying to loosen up. Here's Summit Road and Pole Line Road. I haven't been up Pole Line Road yet. I'll have to check that out next. Unfortunately, I can't check it out today. Sun's going down and it's time for beer. Actually, I haven't been down this section of Mount Madonna Road either yet till today. So you're seeing it as I see it. Reminds me of East Zayante a little bit so far. I believe it runs into Green Valley, maybe? We'll find out. Horse ranch, a few little horse ranches around here. Ooh, there's Watsonville. Not a bad little view. This will be fun going the other direction. Looks like it's all pavement from here. Yeah, old Volkswagen still parked off the road up there on Summit Road. Seems like a perfectly good golf to me. Unfortunate. Been up there for weeks. Hamburger. Hazeldale, that's what it is. I believe we want to make a right to get to the Corralitos Market, or to the Corralitos Brewery, more like. Anyways, I'll end this one here. I'll see you guys next time. Like and subscribe.